All right, today we are going to show you how to make butter, homemade, the old-fashioned way. We will need heavy cream. It doesn't have to be heavy whipping cream, just heavy table cream, salt, and some kind of a container with a lid. Mason jars is a great way to do this. Okay, so super simple. We're going to pour okay, so super simple. We are going to pour about half of a jar of whipping cream. Look. A little bit left. And when we're going to take our salt and just go shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Not a lot. Close them up.
Don't you have to let them sit for like a day or something?
No. And shake.
Still shaking.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Shake,
Oh,
shake,
weird. It wasn't bad.
But then the arms are...
Check and see where we're at. Oh, it's looking like whipped cream. So we're getting there, but not quite there yet.
And it is still whipped cream. How long is this gonna take?
15 minutes?
All right. Finally started to change when we thought that it wasn't going to change
I think you can
anymore.
dump the liquid
So,
out too.
we'll keep going a little longer. Got quite a bit of liquid that's come out.
We
And
got
then what's
butter.
left is the milk solids. It ends up being butter. So we'll go just a little longer. Evans is getting close.
Mine is invisible.
And then all of a sudden, Evan will just magically change. Okay. So, I've got a big chunk of butter in the middle
I have cottage
of a bunch of
cheese.
liquid. Oh, Evans is trying. You're getting close.
It's called cottage cheese.
Okay. So now we will take it and dump it through our strainer here.
Oh god. That is disgusting.
Butter.
Okay.
Now we
And we'll
let
let it set for a minute.
strain.
Now you press it.
Okay, so we've got our, just gonna rinse it off here. Okay. Okay, so once it's pretty well cleared off, there's not a lot of liquid left on it. You can take it from this point and just put it in a dish or on a plate and put it in the refrigerator.
It's ice cream, guys.
Our refrigerator is kind of full, so I'm gonna wrap it in saran wrap. So I'm just gonna plop it on there. And we'll put it in the refrigerator. We made a stick of butter.